Let's take a look at some verb preposition combos in German. These verb prep combos mean that the preposition will always take a certain case. So you will notice when I go through these whether or not the preposition, for example here we have über, which is a two-way preposition. In this case, when we use sich beklagen über, sorry for the typo, it will always take the accusative case. So as we go through these, you will notice whether it is accusative, accusative, or dative, dative. Sich beklagen über. Accusative, to complain about. Sich bewerben um. Accusative, to apply for. Bieten um. Accusative, to ask for, request. Danken für, to thank for, accusative. In this case, accusative makes sense because für or for is always accusative case. Danken für. Denken an, to think of, accusative. Sich erinnern an, to remember about something, accusative. Sich freuen auf, to look forward to, accusative. Grenzen an, to border on, accusative. Sich interessieren für, to be interested in, accusative. Sich kümmern um, to look after or to take care of, accusative. Lachen über, to laugh about, accusative. Schreiben über, to write about, accusative. Sprechen über, to speak about, accusative. Sich vorbereiten auf, to prepare for, accusative. Warten auf, to wait for, accusative. Now we're going to notice that these all will take the dative case. Arbeiten an, to work on, dative. Erzählen von. Now von is always dative, so yep, dative, to tell about. Helfen bei. Bei is a dative preposition, so to help with. It's also important to note that helfen is a dative verb. Sprechen mit. Mit is a dative preposition, so this takes the dative case, to speak with. Suchen nach, to search for. Teilnehmen an, to participate in, dative case. Träumen von, dative case, to dream about.